Solder pad adhesive removal. Now performing glue removal operation on the motherboard solder pads. Okay, the pads of this CPU have been cleaned up. We dip a cotton ball in some board washing water. Wipe this pad clean. Then we started removing glue and planting tin on the CPU chip. There are more than one methods for chip debonding. This is a universal maintenance method. All chips can be degummed using this method. Both motherboard and chip glue removal are the same standard. It's clean and flat. Don't damage the chip. Chip cannot drop any paint or paint. Okay, now the glue on the chip pad has been cleaned up. Now use a blade to trim the adhesive on the side of the chip. After finishing the trimming, start preparing for tin planting. Okay, after we clean the chip, take a look at the effect of chip pads. It is very flat and smooth, without any peeling or paint peeling.